You asked for it, and we are happy to bring back one of our longest-running segments here at 12 News. Ask the Judge is back from its pandemic hiatus, and Judge Larry Thorne from the 317th District Court is with us via Zoom. Judge, we heard you were doing court via Zoom, so we figured you could do this.
We have, Jordan, we have done almost as many cases on Zoom as we were doing before this pandemic. We have been busy, and in some cases we've gotten really busier, unfortunately. I mean, we've got husbands and wives that are stuck together, all the time, and it's kind of been hectic.
Well, that kind of leads to our first question. I understand you're hearing a lot of people with concerns about, unfortunately, divorce proceedings. This is the question. If we're trying to obtain an uncontested divorce, how can we do this if we can't go to the courthouse because of COVID?
We thought about that, actually, Judge Shelton and I. We can do it, of course, Zoom, just like we're doing the other hearings, the contested hearings. But you can do it pro se, that means by yourself, or if you have an attorney, you can also do it by an affidavit of prove-up. So anybody can look it up by going on the 317th District Court website, just scrolling on down, and it will give you instructions and show you the form. And you just need to follow those instructions, follow the form, and turn that in, and you do not have to make an appearance. Of course, you'll need to get your decree ready.
I want to jump in because I want to get to our one other question here before we run out of time, and this kind of involves also problems during the pandemic. This one is, what about child support? What about visitation during the pandemic? Do existing court orders stand?
Oh, that is a good question, a great question, and it's really caused a lot of people a lot of headaches. You have to follow the decree. If you're ordered to pay the child support, you need to pay the child support no matter what. If you have some kind of defense for not paying it, if you're unemployed and don't have the money, that will not prevent the other side from filing an enforcement proceeding. In other words, a contempt. The Supreme Court of Texas has already passed on this and ruled on it, and you must allow the visitation to go forward. And the person withholding visitation can be held in contempt, just like the person who's not paying child support.
So, right, Judge, the answer is you got to follow the decree, right? Got to follow the decree. We're going to have to leave it there. Judge Larry Thorne from the 317th District Court. Good to see you this afternoon via Zoom. Folks, if you've got questions for our Ask the Judge segment, it's back Wednesday afternoons here on 12 News at 5. Just go to our website, 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and you can submit questions right there.